Yes, subscribers, you know, so Daniel back with it again with the next epic video. You see, yeah man, that's my promise on part 2, and here it is. You see, yeah man, please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment down below and tell me if you like the video. Yeah man, share the video all over the place and thing. You see, and if you want to donate, there's a donation link down in the description. Yeah, you can donate a $1, $2, $3, no problem, just to support the thing. You see it, yeah man. So we get into the video. Hope and love it. You see it, yeah man. We out. Shot intro.
Go viral, go viral, go viral, go viral, go viral, go.
Yeah man, so you know, say viral J in the streets again with the next upcoming artist. So introduce yourself now.
Füego.
Yeah.
Füego, yeah. Füego with the flame.
Okay.
Spanish for fire.
Yeah. So where you from?
Jamaica, England originally, but I grew up in Jamaica. Parents from Panama and Cuba, so me mix and blend.
Yeah man, so you know, say viral J in the streets again with the next upcoming artist. So introduce yourself now.
Yeah man, a Khalejah, England man. You see it how they are black fest, Allison girl Chester. You see that? Yeah. And we say G Black man, whole G Black movement. You see that? Viral J, big up your damn self.
You see
that?
Introduce yourself now.
Yeah, they on viral, you know, say a little dripkydd though. Yeah. Straight, yeah man. Little dripkydd.
So you know on social media come?
Yeah man, little dripkydd for Insta, Facebook, same way man, TikTok, yeah man.
So introduce yourself now.
Yeah man, you know I want Dan Russian and don't know forward from Girl Chester, Girl Devil, you know his style. Yeah, you can find me on Instagram at Dan Russian, you know what I mean, and YouTube, Dan Russian Viva, you know what I mean, so I just that.
Tell him my name now.
Mr. Prophet.
Mr. Prophet?
Sharper than a ratchet.
Sharper than a ratchet.
I need to see sound boy watch it when you are flash.
But drop a beat, I can just give a little performance, you see it?
You know I want Dan Russian. I'm here to ready up like so. Yeah man. This is what we born for. Anywhere the money 3D I hit my gun for. Every try me try feel like coming on my way is like a blessing with a curse we are carried. Well I know it's like me at the burden carrier. We are carry the cross, the heart can't show the emotions in my heart. Want a better way, so me pave the path. Them throw dirt for me name and me grow and flourish. When you walk and chop, get up and still a move. You call that courage, you call that courage. Yeah, carrying the weight with bare faith. Can't hold a steady meds head no in a one place. It hard when your own brother show envy and hate. Get to you elevate, no eliminate. Take advantage of the one we hold the blade. I bet you never know, say we full up a beer wave. I'm on the go, so I best if you behave. Me just clear the way with this spade. Past memories, tainted pain. I'm not a purple skunk are my favorite strain. Pistol they close, they put grains in brain. Yo, pull up, see let boy can't feel him face. Loan allow keep him taste. Positivity are where we embrace, yet still we stay defensive because of past XP. Like me at the burden carrier. We are carry the cross, the heart can't show the emotions in my heart. Want a better way, so me pave the path. Them throw dirt on me DM and me grow and flourish. When you walk and chop, get up and still a move. You call that courage, you call that courage. Yeah, at the pain where we bear, at the fight where we withstand. They are one walk in a quicksand. We don't mean literally, on the journey we get immune to life struggles and burden. Me not too trust them, me not too certain. Yeah, me can two-faced friend, eat off the pie and no left none. Tell your boy betray. Hey, your best friend will look your girl at still and lead in me. Them want see funeral, but that minimal.
Alright, so we can drop a beat, I can just do something, you see it?
Yeah man, straight. Yeah man, the legit kid, you know.
What tell them, sir?
Yeah, straight G Black dog. Man a king in nice out. Man a king in nice out, dog. Somewhere, run up them mouth. Feed them gal walk on, give me deep chop, dog. King in nice out. Man a tell her, man a king in nice out, dog. Tell a boy them a cup scored. Run up on me nigga, them a gun you down, dog. Tell a boy if you no play it, me hit hard from me, baby. Run up on me, the Glock hear me, I be hear me. Feel Kathy say she want yes me, say me taste sweet like the pastry, dog. King in nice out. Why them a lip up them mouth. Tell a boy say, a gun we a roll with, dog. When a king in nice out, run off your mouth. Your girl want come give me deep shot. Them boy, them a bait, them a run big job. Run up on me, yeah, go see how it go. Man a king in nice out. Man a king in nice out, dog. Them a run up them mud. Them boy a beat, them a real gun clown, dog. Them boy even more gun sound. Feel me get loud than the fucking club sound, dog. Yeah. Man a king in nice out. Man a king in nice out. Me that from me a baby. Tell a boy say me do the badness daily. Fee say your bad nigga just come page me full of more strap than him. Fee say your bad dog, me no afraid. Yeah, yeah, like Chucky, you afraid the way I make them boy head lift like a black flag. Yeah. Man I tell a man a king in nice out. Tell a boy say them no fi fuck round dog. Yeah, girl want give me deep jump. Man a king in nice out dog. Yeah, man a king in nice out. Man a king in nice out dog. Tell a boy say we no f round. For your girl want come give me deep jump dog.
Yeah, man, so we're going to drop a beat here, just go give you a little thing on it, you see it?
Yeah, man, quick and fast, you wouldn't know the badness. You know kind of host, but you see it, we still coast. Watch it.
What tell them, sir?
Herbs, love me herbs, and he good for me now, herbs. So driver, take me to my destination, bring me to that herb car. Come me love me herbs. Yeah, God know me loving it, and me can't get enough of it. Every day me a smoke like a addict, have it in a traffic, and me nah panic. Listen this how it ironic, me a smoke and drop asleep. Last week me get a pound of it, and me smoke all of it. Now me a floating at the sky like a plane, float like a ship, because me herbs, it good for me nerves. So driver, take me to that festival, bring me to that herb. Me love me herbs, and it good for me nerves. Me have some put down in the house, it up your and preserve. Build up a split, me call it double decker. Yeah, that grab at the troublemaker. Hotter than a double pepper. And we touching the district like stepper. Yeah, girl them say we sharp like razor, and we style them and shot them like taser. You know see dog, we run off the acre. Some boy just govern pon the pizza. You know see it. Viral J and we a lock down the street. G Black, Khalejah, England sell them unique. Freestyle pon the beat, me need even try hard for do it. You know see it, two style, loud out there. Viral J, you know this is ain't no secret. Alright, get back to the street, we have to get back to business, because you know how we stay, how we ever up like we feeding pan spinach.
What? You see it? Yo man, nice street today, you see it? Allison, you see it? Good? We're going to just drop a beat and you just give a little thing for you, see?
Yeah, man, do what I can. Yeah. Okay. With 5 of the J.A. Don't know what them feel like. Why they want to take me 3 pints? Show them to get to you to live life. Big house on the hillside. Benz truck park up outside. This the link, we not go think twice. Big spliff in them outside. If you know, say we outside. Yo, left, right, Babylon, them used to give we licks. Now we spliff bigger than them dirty button stick. They used to tell we say we mad, they used to tell we say we sick. Now them smell the cherry pie, them a tell me say me lit. Big Benz popping, money making, ain't no stopping. Füego with the flame, yeah, flammable. Praise Jah, every day I'm indestructible. Yeah, every day praise the Most High. That's right. Every day praise the Most High. I know the vibe, yeah. Fuck your ego. Anywhere I go, you know the flame go. Füego, don't know. Tolerance 0. If you know, you know. You can't go where we go. Hasta luego.
Alright. Yeah man, so you see, Füego, you see. So check him out. You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, Füego, Rico Füego. That's the YouTube channel, and Instagram, Rico Füego 777 777. You see it?
You hear that, people? Yeah man, Viral J in the streets, you see it? Allison with it. Good? Alright. So you see, I give you a cappella?
Yeah.
Alright, give me something.
Prison life, it well rough. Prison life is very rough. Bye. Prison life is very rough. Prison life is very rough. Bye. So going into prison not a nice thing to do. Someone with their prison, we take step of you. You can bend up your face and go on like you a screw. The amount of lick you get your body black and blue. Say prison are no good place. Prison ain't no nice. Say prison carry chink and prison bring lies. It make me need to take me when me hear a girl voice. Boy, prison life.
Alright, Mr. Gear. Out.
Yeah, peeps. So that's the ending of our next successful video. Yeah, man. Ending up part 2. You see it. Yeah, man. But they have to split it up, cause you know, say, and every time we can go up on the road, you see it. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. Hope you enjoy the video. Tell me if you love it. You see it. Yeah, man. Comment down below, please. And remember, the donation link is in the description. You see it. If you want to get a $1, $2, $3, no problem. Love the support. You see it. Yeah, man. So this is a, upcoming artist someone want to listen to. We drop the video on TikTok, so you can take a little listen and see it. And tell me what you think. You see it. Yeah, man. rvshan out.
Andrew, please listen to the cries of your people.